Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So lately I've been sharing a lot of my skincare videos and today I'm back with another skincare, but this one is a bit different. I've always shared videos which include a lot of masking, scrubbing, which I do weekly or monthly, but on an everyday basis I'm not someone who's gonna do a 10-step skincare routine. So it's very basic, and that's the reason I've included both morning as well as night skincare in one video, because if I do separate videos it's not even gonna be 3 to 4 minutes because it's really very basic and like just 3-4 steps. So I had to share that. So today I'll be sharing my everyday skincare with you all. So if you're interested, please continue watching the video. Also, I just woke up a few hours ago and I got fresh, and I am not someone who's gonna just get up and apply a lot of products, not at all. I take my time. So after I take bath and all of that, I start my skincare, which is morning skincare obviously. So in a bit I'm gonna start that and I'll be sharing with you all. Also, if you're seeing me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you have not been following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me there. I've linked all the details of my Instagram in the description box down below, so please go and check it out. Now, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I'm just out of my shower and now this is the time when I generally do my morning skincare routine on an everyday basis. Also, this is no product recommendations. This is just my personal skincare which I have been doing, and also it sort of works great for my skin. So yes, obviously in the shower I did use my face wash. So today I used the Wow Rose Water face wash, this one. I have already talked about this one. This works great for my skin and I love it on an everyday basis because this is so gentle. So yes, I washed my face with this, and next step which I'm going to do is using a moisturizer obviously. So I use this Nivea Soft on an everyday basis. I love how this works for my skin, and my skin is somewhere between normal to dry, I would say. Not too much dry, but a sort of dry. So I take a little bit and I'm just going to apply it on my face. So the next product of my skincare which I'm going to do is applying a sunscreen, which is so important and I never miss that. So no matter what, I never miss that. So the sunscreen which I'm going to use today is the Neutrogena sunscreen. Again, this one is very great for dry skin. This never leaves any white cast, so that is the one thing which I absolutely love about the sunscreen. So I'm going to apply this. That's it. And the last step, that is, of my morning skincare is applying a lip balm, and today I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Lips. This one. This is a tinted lip balm, so it works great. Even if you're going out, you can just apply this, no lipstick, and it looks really very pinky. So yes, that's it for my everyday morning skincare. That's pretty much it what I apply on an everyday basis, just these 3-4 products, and I think that works great for my skin. Yes, some days when my skin feels a little bit of dull, I go ahead and apply vitamin C serums and all of that, but today, which is on everyday basis, I just use these products, and yes, they have been working great for my skin. You just need to know what your skin exactly requires and just apply that much. Don't just listen to anyone and start applying everything on your skin. That's not needed. So just listen to your skin, that's all I would say. And now I'm gonna meet you in the night skincare routine. So yes, see you soon. Okay, so I am back for my night skincare after a long day, and honestly I do my night skincare at least half an hour or 1 hour before I sleep, so that my skin soaks in everything properly and I am all sorted. So as you can see, I have no makeup for today, but on days when I have makeup, I use micellar water to clear up my makeup, or I also love to use coconut oil to remove makeup. That works great for my skin. And I go ahead and use this Wow apple cider vinegar face wash, because it comes with a brush, so it sort of helps to deeply clean, and so I go ahead and do double cleaning for my face. But on days when I do not have any makeup, just like today, I use one face wash, and recently I've been using this Nivea Milk Delight face wash, and this has also been on my top 5 face washes video which I made. And if you hadn't bought that, I'm gonna link it in the description box. Make sure you go and check that out. So yes, this is the one I used today, and now I'm gonna head forward to the second step, which is moisturizer. And for moisturizer, I'll be using the Garnier Anti-Wrinkle Lift Cream. I have already talked about this particular cream. This is an anti-wrinkle lift cream, but it works great as a moisturizer if you have dry skin. So you're gonna love this. So if you are dry skin, make sure you give this one a try. Third step would be using a face serum. Now, on everyday basis, I prefer the Wow Vitamin C serum, but on days when I have dark spots or I feel a little bit of uneven skin tone, I go ahead and use the 2% Alpha Albutin by the Derma. This one. So yes, if you have any sort of dark spots, uneven skin, you can give this one a try. But for today, I'm going to use the Wow Vitamin C serum. And I think you guys already know that how much I love using this serum, because this has honestly been such an amazing serum for my face. So I'm just gonna dab it into my skin. That's pretty much it. And now one more step, which is for my under eyes. I am not using any under eye cream for now, so I am gonna take some badam oil. That's what I've been doing. So yes, I'm going to take some badam oil and I'm just going to dab it under my eyes. This really helps if you have dark circles. And that's all for my night skincare. Obviously, I will not forget my lips. For my lips, I'm going to use the Nykaa Lip Balm. And yes, that's pretty much it for my night skincare as well. I already told you at the beginning of the video that I am not someone who's going to do a 10-step skincare routine when it comes to everyday basis. So yes, this is what I am doing as of now. And also on regular days, I do the same. Sometimes the products keep changing, as I said you. But this is pretty much it, just these 3-4 steps, and I think this has been great for my skin. And also, none of the products were the product recommendations in today's video. Make sure you are doing skincare according to your skin type. And also, you do not need a 10-step skincare for a perfect skin. You just need the products which are required for your skin. That is what I believe. So yes, with this I wrap up my today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I have linked all the details of my Instagram in the description box down below. So please go and check that out. I'll soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.